Manny got issues. Manny got issues. Oh, I hate this mask. Manny, let me ask you a question. How many pulls do you need?
Nah, because I need one for like Monday to Tuesday.
Look how many pulls we got. These are 10-foot family pools. They're huge and they're heavy. Let's stop picking up all that stuff. We got a few in the car. We got some in here. And then we got more here. $5. How much was the regular price of these pools?
49.
They were $49.99 down to $5. $5. So I think we should have a garage sale.
I don't know. Either way, I don't care who buys it.
Or we could wait until next summer and sell them.
Get a higher price.
But it's still hot. We're in Florida, so anybody from Florida, Hawaii, California can still buy these. Arizona.
By summertime, it'll be gone.
I got you on film. You almost dropped it.
They're already used to that. Oh man, there's more.
Yeah, there's more. Oh man, we're still finding these for $4.99. I don't know what Walmart's doing over here. I don't know what they're building over here, but they're super loud. Oh, we got this right here, 90% off. We're still fine. We never found it. We just happened to scan it, and this was $1.50. It was $19.99 down to $1.50 for this one. I don't know who this is. Who is this? Okay, this is Ghost Spider. It might be Spider-Man's girlfriend. I'm not sure. But if you guys go to, here's the back of the box. If you guys go to CVS, look for this one. Because this one's only $1.50. And we found another one of these at CVS too. This one was $2.50. Let me show you. So we also found this My First Mighty Blasters. And this was $2.50. And we found all of these retro toaster ovens. These are super nice. You got the red. You can make pizza, toast, beef jerky, whatever. It's a UPC. And it's a big box. Here's the blue one, baby blue. Got a full 12, I think it's a 12-inch pizza. You guys can see it said 40, but we actually paid 20. So if you guys see these, they are 20 bucks at Walmart, CVS, Walmart, CVS, Walmart. And we got a couple more pulls. You guys, I came out for one thing. They're super loud over here. Hold on, I'm about to show them what I came for. Open. I came to Walmart only to go to storage and to get some of these beef smoked sausages so I can grill them. That's all I came for, was storage unit and this. And we end up with 500 pulls, more of these axe things. What is this? I'm so tired. Toaster ovens, more guns, more toys. I mean, we already got 2 storage units and a 2-car garage full of stuff. And I swear we need 2 more storage units. And we're in 4th quarter. And we're tired.
That's how you get big right there.
Look at that. Hot dogs for $2 and something cents. I think these are $2.88. Turns to my whole car getting full again.
Yeah.
And Manny, you still got some in the cart over there.
I know.
Come on, let's go. Come on, man. Come on, go.
Well, I gotta be the one picking all of them.
Come on. We gotta go.
If you are a reseller, sometimes you gotta sit on product. It's gonna go. It's how long do you have the patience to wait on it?
Okay, you know, we're gonna ignore Manny because he's spending all my money right now. And this is what happens, ladies, when you teach your husband how to clearance shop. This is exactly what happens. This mess. My whole house is full of stuff. We got stuff from, we didn't even show you guys. Before the CVS 90% off, we actually did the Walgreens 90% off. And that was way bigger than our CVS one. So what I'm gonna do, because I wanna show you guys what we have, I'm gonna go home and I am going to open up all my curtains in my house, and I'm gonna show you what my house looks like. I can't even step on the floor in my house. We have so many bags. We got CVS clearance, we got Walgreens clearance, we got Walmart clearance. I mean,
you know what it's starting to sound like?
Yeah, it's starting to sound like I need a second trip to Hawaii.
Sounds like you're a little bit jealous of how good I am at this.
Hold this.
That's what it sounds like.
Hold this. Let me show you guys something. Look at this. Look at that. He's supposed to be from New York, but he got a Snoop Dogg. I'm so tired. What is this? A mask? Why?
I like Snoop Dogg.
Where's your Jay-Z mask? Man, he be fronting, you guys. He loves the West Coast. All right, so when I get home, you guys, I'm gonna show you my living room. And I mean, it's fourth quarter, and basically I'm about to show you a reseller's living room. All right, you guys, we are now back home, and I'm about to show you our living room. It looks crazy. Let's leave my room, and I'm gonna show you guys what a reseller's house looks like. The kids are asleep, but let me show you. All right, so here's some of the pools that we have. These again are the play date, and these are the 10-foot family pools, $5. Here the toaster ovens that we showed you guys in the car for $20. All right, let's see. Here's some more pools. So these are just some of the pools we got. Let me go ahead and open up these curtains because it's kind of dark. All right, so right now you guys can see boxes here. We're actually listing. What's in here? Oh, that's my killer clown. These are the items that we got last year, 90% off. So we're listing all of these items. I don't remember what we got last year, but here it is. We got a bunch of these. So we got a few boxes we need to list. This is part of, we have like the CVS and Walgreens 90% off summer items mixed up. So this one again that's Walmart. This one right here, I believe this one is Walgreens, and we paid 69 cents for the bat and ball. Look how cute this is. They have the Stitch with the matching ball. Spider-Man. We actually found these at Walmart. This is the Gopher Splash. And you can see the price at $6. So if you guys see these in Walmart, make sure you guys scan. And I'm gonna try to squeeze through here. We found these fans at Walgreens. These were only, I think these were like $3 or $4. Great price. I bought some of these last year too, and I use them around my house. They work great. So we got a few of these that are on the stand. And then we have the box ones too. There's the box ones down here. As you guys can see, I can't even walk through my house right now. Manny's taking stuff to storage. So again, we got a few fans. We got these pools at Walgreens. I think these were like $3. So this one is the unicorn spray pool. Let us know in the comments too if you guys made it to the Walgreens 90% off. We were actually going to do 75, but I told Manny to wait until 90. I believe it was like 2 days after. So we got a few of these. These are the H2O Go triple slide, or the slides. So we got the single slide, I think the double slide, the triple slide, and the one with the 4. So this is the triple slide. And these boxes are super heavy. Look how many we got. And these are all this size right here. And we usually just hold on to these until next summer. We got a few of these pools right here. So this one is the blue pool, rectangle, and this one is 8 feet 7 inch long. So not only do we have these pools, you guys, but we have these too. So let's see what else. Right here we have the sprinkler that looks like a dinosaur. This one's 4 feet tall. I believe this one was like $2. All right, we got these bubbles up next. These are a bubble fire extinguisher. That's what it looks like. These were 79 cents. Again, this is Walgreens. This has been sitting in my living room, you guys, for probably like a week and a half. We haven't had time to box it up. We got 3 bags of these. These are, and again, when it's 90, we don't know what it is. We just grab. But this is a soccer slide. So it looks like this soccer ball you can use indoor and outdoor. And it looks like it slides across the floor. All right, let me see if I could turn it to the back. All right. These were only 79 cents. You guys can see outside, we actually started decorating for Halloween. And we got a bunch of, these are the bubble wand, Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. It's hard to reach down here. We got a bunch of these bubbles. These are the flashing lights, bubble gum. So those are bubble guns. All those down here, which are like the bubble machines. We have Mickey, Minnie. We got Princess and Spider-Man. I can't even get over here, so sorry. Try to grab what's in the bag. Let's see. Okay. So this whole bag right here is a bunch of balloons. You guys, my kids love these, so I gotta kind of hide them so they won't get them. But these sell well. And again, these are the bunch of balloons. We paid 99 cents for each one. We got a few bags of those. We got these at Walgreens. So I'm kind of showing you everything that we found so far. Summer clearance. These we found at Walmart. So these are the Play Day push-in bubble mower. And we paid $5 for these. Regular price is $15. And I'm sorry, but I can't get over to the UPC. But if you guys see these bubble mowers, they're only $5. Down here, we got some beach balls. I think those were 59 cents. Right here, I believe this is a toy right here that makes monster bubbles. If we don't sell this online, we're actually going to sell it at a garage sale. Let's see what else we got over here. I'm trying to squeeze through here. All right, we got a couple of these baby boat sun canopies all down here. We got a few of these. This was one of our best finds at Walgreens when it hit 90% off. These are the Wacky Wubble bubble balls. This thing is huge, you guys. Look how big it is. And here's the back. We end up getting pink, purple, green, whatever color we could find. These right here, they were only $1.79. So we got this bag, that bag, maybe a bag over there. I don't know where Manny put the rest, but I know we got a bunch of bags. We also got these. These are the big Wubble full of sparkles. It's like Fula, but full of sparkles. Look at this. I'm not sure if these were supposed to be on sale at Walgreens, but the manager gave us these at 90% off. So we paid 59 cents for these. Look at this. So Christmas time, perfect. We got a whole bag. And you guys know we're in Florida and I get bit all the time, but these are the insect spray that you can spray so you don't get bit by mosquitoes. And we only paid 69 cents for each one. We got a whole bag. Let's see. We have some more of those water slides down here. We have, let me pull this. Oh, I'm getting a workout. Okay, we got some more of these sparkle bubbles. This one is cool. This one's actually the slime. And again, these were only 59 cents. Here's the single slides. Look how many we got. So we're gonna be busy for the next couple days. So let us know below if you guys were able to score at Walgreens, CVS, Walmart when it came to the summer items being on clearance. I believe most of this stuff was 90% off, and the majority or the other stuff was probably close to 75 or 80% off.